heavens, heavy clouds rolling in like an unspoken warning. Shadows stretch across the horizon, and the air thickens with the scent of an approaching storm. Nature holds its breath. The first raindrops fall soft, scattered, tapping gently against the earth. Then the downpour begins. Water crashes onto rooftops, carves streams into the soil, and rushes toward rivers and seas. The land drinks, the world stirs, and the storm takes hold. From the heavens, a hush descends. Millions of tiny crystals drift in silence, blanketing the earth in white. Trees stand still, rivers freeze mid-motion, and the world transforms into a quiet, frozen wilderness. Suddenly, the sky unleashes its fury. Ice plummets from above, striking the ground like shattered glass. Leaves are torn, rooftops echo with the pounding assault, and the land braces itself against the storm's relentless grip. A jagged flash splits the sky, illuminating the heavens for a fleeting moment. The world stands frozen in its glow. Then, a deep, rolling thunder follows, shaking the earth and announcing nature's untamed power. The wind whispers, then roars. Trees bend, waves rise, and dust spirals into the air. The unseen force moves with unstoppable will, shaping mountains, carving coastlines, and commanding the world in its endless dance. And then the storm reaches its peak. Water and wind collide. Lightning rips through the sky, and the earth trembles beneath the chaos. Nature's fury unleashed, wild and unforgiving. And yet, even the fiercest storm must pass. The winds soften, the rain fades, the waves retreat. And in the calm that follows, the world breathes again cleansed, renewed, waiting for the next call of the storm.